Today, we're taking a deep dive into the BYD Seal U DM-i 2026, a hybrid SUV that's redefining what modern drivers should expect from electrified mobility. The Seal U DM-i sits right at the intersection of performance and practicality. Designed for families, commuters, and eco-conscious drivers alike, this SUV showcases BYD's advanced DMI hybrid technology, which focuses on maximizing electric driving while maintaining long-distance flexibility. It's not just a hybrid, it's a smart hybrid. Let's start with the design. The BYD Seal U DM-i looks bold, clean, and unmistakably modern. Its aerodynamic body lines, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted front fascia give it a premium road presence. Large alloy wheels and a confident stance complete the look, making it feel just as at home in a luxury showroom as it does on the open road. Under the hood, the Seal U DM-i features a highly efficient hybrid system that combines an electric motor with a fuel-efficient gasoline engine. The result? Smooth acceleration, instant electric torque, and incredibly low fuel consumption. In city driving, the SUV relies heavily on electric power, while the engine steps in seamlessly for highway cruising, delivering both performance and peace of mind. Efficiency is where the Seal U DM-i truly shines. With its intelligent energy management system, drivers can enjoy extended electric-only driving for daily commutes and exceptional combined range for long trips. This means fewer fuel stops, lower running costs, and a significantly reduced carbon footprint. Step inside, and you're greeted by a spacious, high-tech cabin. A large central touchscreen, digital instrument cluster, and smart connectivity features keep you informed and entertained. Premium materials, comfortable seating, and thoughtful storage solutions make every journey relaxing. Whether it's a short city drive or a long family road trip, safety is another strong point. The Seal U DM-i comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and intelligent parking support. These features work together to enhance confidence and reduce driver fatigue. So, what's the verdict? The BYD Seal U DM-i 2026 isn't just another hybrid SUV, it's a statement. It proves that efficiency doesn't have to come at the cost of power, comfort, or style. If you're looking for a forward-thinking SUV that delivers real-world benefits, this one deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more automotive content, and let us know in the comments, would you choose the BYD Seal U DM-i over traditional hybrids? See you in the next video.